I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of straight lines when the line is inclined to both the planes. The data given are true length equal to 70 mm, theta equal to 30 degrees, phi equal to 45 degrees. The question given is a line PQ measuring 70 mm is inclined to HP at 30 degrees and to VP at 45 degrees with the end P 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. So here it is given the line is inclined to HP at 30 degrees and to VP at 45 degrees. So the position of the given straight line is the line is inclined to both the planes HP and VP. Also it is given the true length of the line PQ is 70 mm long and the end P is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Let us now start to draw the projection of the given straight line. Draw margin on all four sides. Write the question number. In the bottom right corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. Draw reference line XY. The area above XY is VP. The area below XY is HP. It is given point P is 20 mm above HP. So the front view of the point P, that is P dash, is 20 mm above XY. From reference line measure 20 mm, mark the point P dash. This point P dash is 20 mm above XY. Also it is given the point P is 15 mm in front of VP. So the top view of the point P is 15 mm below XY. Again from reference line measure 15 mm, mark the point P. This point P is 15 mm below XY. Here both the points P dash and P lie in the same projector. Now from the point P dash draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of P dash. Similarly from the point P draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of P. It is given true inclination of line to HP theta equal to 30 degrees. Take a protractor with reference point as P dash, measure angle equal to 30 degrees and draw an inclined line. It is given true length of line PQ equal to 70 mm. Now from the point P dash measure 70 mm, mark the point Q1 dash. Here the length of P dash Q1 dash line is 70 mm and this line P dash Q1 dash is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to XY. From the point Q1 dash draw a line perpendicular to XY. This line cuts locus of P at a point Q1. Measure the length of the line PQ1. This length is top view length equal to 61 millimeter. So now here using the true inclination of line to HP theta equal to 30 degrees and true length of line PQ equal to 70 mm, we have found the top view length PQ1 equal to 61 mm. It is given true inclination of line to VP phi equal to 45 degrees. Take a protractor with reference point as P, measure 45 degrees, draw an inclined line. Now we know the true length of line PQ equal to 70 mm. So from the point P measure length equal to 70 mm, mark the point Q2. Here the length of the line PQ2 is equal to 70 mm and this line PQ2 is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to XY. From the point Q2 draw a perpendicular line to XY. This line cuts locus of P dash at a point Q2 dash. Measure the length of the line P dash Q2 dash. This length is front view length equal to 50 mm. So here using the true length of the line PQ equal to 70 mm and true inclination of line to VP phi equal to 45 degrees, we have found the front view length equal to 50 mm. Now from the point Q1 dash draw a line parallel to XY. this line is locus of q dash. Similarly, from the point Q2, draw a line parallel to xy, this line is locus of q. Now, we know both the front view length, the top view length, and also we have now drawn the locus of q dash and locus of q. Using rotating line method, we will now locate the point q dash and q. Take compass, measure radius of length equal to p dash q2 dash length equal to 50 mm. With center point as p dash, draw an arc. This arc cuts the locus of q dash at a point q dash. Join p dash q dash. This line is the front view of the given line. Again, take a compass, measure radius of length equal to pq1. This length is equal to 61 mm. With center point as p, draw an arc. This arc cuts locus of q at a point q. Join PQ by a straight line. This line is the top view of the given line. Now check whether both q dash point and q point lie in the same projector. If it is correct, darken the answer. The answer is front view line p dash q dash, top view line PQ. This is the projection of the given line. Show dimension of the true length. It is given equal to 70 mm. So this is the answer for the given question. If you draw neatly and show all the dimensions, you score full marks. Thank you. Wish you all the best.